guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Prerna, and today I'll be sharing a interesting video with you guys. It's all about my Nykaa haul that I recently purchased from Nykaa. As you all know, a Nykaa sale is going on Nykaa.com, so I splurged on that. So I purchased little bit of items and yeah, so I just wanted to show it to you that what I purchased from Nykaa.com recently. Although I'm planning to repurchase some of the other products which I see that are in good deal there. So after some time I will be purchasing some more items from Nykaa.com, but for now I have just these items to show it to you guys. So let's get started. So first of all, I wanted to show you the box. So sorry, this is the box that I got from Nykaa.com, and I just want to show it all of you the items that I got. So it is bubble wrapped, properly bubble wrapped in this. This is my bill, and these are all the items that I got. So first of all, I purchased from there is this Colorsil Super Black Kajal. As I have been looking forward to it because my old Colorsil Kajal, I have finished that one, so I was looking forward for this Super Black Kajal. And yeah, I will be telling you review about this product also. Then I bought this Lakme curling mascara. So this is the Lakme curling mascara, and yeah, this is the iconic mascara. I liked it so much. I have tried it earlier also. It is a very good, so I repurchased. Next I got this L'Oreal Paris Kajal Magic Gold, and this is quite good. I have been seeing so many reviews over it, so I thought let's purchase it for me guys. So all in all, I got these 3 kajals for me. So yeah, you can see these 3 kajals I have for me, and you will be seeing review for these 3 kajals very soon on my channel, so stay tuned to my channel. So these are the 3 kajals, and then this is one mascara. So 4 items I got for my eyes. So yeah, next jumping back to other products, then I got this. Then next I wanted to got my hands on this Lakme 925cc cream. I have been using Pond's BB cream and Garnier BB cream, and I just wanted to try CC creams also. So I just got their introductory offer, that is for 99 rupees. Okay, I forgot to tell you the price of each and every product. So this is the Lakme curling mascara. This is for 300 rupees. And then L'Oreal Kajal Magic Gold pencil. This is for how much? This is for I think 300 rupees also. And this is for 300 rupees again. And this is for 210 rupees. So yeah, these were all the items. Then again, I got this Veet hair removal cream. As you all know, I love Veet hair removal cream for me, so I just got it again. It is in the other what do we say, that fragrance. It is from Supreme Essence Essential Oils and Velvet Rose Essence. So it has a very good nice fragrance into it. I will be using it further and can tell you the review of this product also. Veet removal cream in another fragrance. Now I am thinking about this product, so it will be testing out very soon on my channel. Then next I bought from there is this Pond's BB cream. I have finished so many tubes of Pond's BB cream because I like it so much, and I just grab it for my traveling bag because it is of small size, and I have used it in my rupees 100 makeup challenge also. So yeah, this is the cream that I bought from there. The next thing I bought from there is this Blue Heaven Eye Magic Instant Eyeshadow. I want to show it to you. So yeah, this is the Blue Heaven eyeshadow palette. This is a very small quad score palette. It has only 4 eyeshadows, but the colors are awesome again. So yeah, this is the these are the 4 colors that are very much useful in day-to-day life, or when you go outside or you go to office sometimes. So yeah, it is a very good. Yeah, then next I purchased from there is this is Vega brush blush. Yeah, this is the brush. What am I saying? Yeah, this is Vega blush brush, and I just purchased it for blush, of course. I got it recently also. I got all the packet of all the brushes, but I don't know how the bristle torn off, and I wanted to purchase it again, so I just purchased this Vega blush brush. So this is the product, another product. Then I jumped for this cream. Yeah, so this is the Olay Total 7 Effects cream. As you all know that I use this cream for my anti-aging regime. So yeah, this is the very good cream. I have done a review over it also. I will link it below, or I will give it onto the cards. You can check it out. Then yeah, this is a very nice cream. I have been using it since 2 months now. Not 2 months. I have been using it since 6 months, I think. Yeah, so this is a very nice cream also, and it has some tinted that foundation extracts in it, so it is a very nice cream. Washes I purchased. Okay, oh sorry. This is a face wash. This is for my husband. This is Fair and Handsome face wash. So I will be giving it to my husband for sure. And then I bought it. I bought this Lakme Blush and Glow face wash. The review you have been seen already. This review has already come up on my channel. So yeah, this is the Lakme Blush and Glow face wash. This is for I think 175 rupees. Yeah, this is for 175 rupees, and I must say again that the fragrance of this face wash is awesome. Yes, so this is a very good face wash. Yeah, so these are all the items that I got from Nykaa.com, or tiny mini haul that I purchased from Nykaa.com. Yeah, I am planning to purchase some more products from Nykaa.com for sure, and we'll be showing it to you guys. I wanted to talk about some products that I purchased from shops also. So I wanted to show it to you right here. So I went to a market, I purchased some of the products. So first product I want to show you guys is the Miss Claire cream. So this is the Miss Claire Soft Matte Lip Cream. The market is raging about it, and yes, everyone is talking about this Miss Claire lip cream. So I thought let's try this lip cream, and you can see I have just applied this lip cream for my video. So yeah, this is the shade that I have applied. So it is the number 36. Yeah, so this is the number 36, and a quite nice color, although I was very much confused that what color should I choose. I watched all the videos upon Miss Claire, but I was very much confused. Then shopkeeper has given me some of the options. He has got lot of options in this Miss Claire lip creams, but as I was very much confused, so I just rely on my husband's decision. He told me to pick this number 36 number, so I just chose this number. I don't know why I chose why he suggested me this one, because he liked this one, he liked this shade. Yeah, so I just purchased it and I just applied it. This is the first time that I have applied this lip cream. Please tell me guys, how do you like it or not. So yeah, this is another product that I purchased. I have purchased only one lip cream because I just wanted to give it a try, that it will how it will look on my skin, how will it look my face. So I will be repurchasing it again on from so many Instagram shops I have seen. They are selling this product for 180 or 190 rupees, but I got it for 210 rupees from one shop. So yeah, I will be purchasing lip cream if I like it. Right now I'm really liking it. I purchased from the market is this this is the ADS blush. As you can see, as in when I was thinking of doing ₹100 makeup challenge, I thought of a blush, and I just rushed to the market for purchasing some blush which is of under 100 cost. So it is the ADS blush, and it costed me just ₹75. So I just wanted to show you the shade. Yeah, sometimes drugstore products, these type of products also come in a nice packaging, and also nice products to use, guys. Oh my god, it's not working. Yeah, so this is the shade, quite good shade. It is a fashion blusher, only it is written on the packaging. So yeah, this is the shade. Got to use it on my video. My bad, really my bad. So yeah, this is the next thing. Then I got this Blue Heaven mascara when I was shooting for rupees 100 makeup challenge. So this is the mascara. It is for I think 75 rupees also, or 85 rupees. I do not remember the price. So this is the Blue Heaven mascara. And then I got from there is this. Yeah, I got from there is this. Okay, MAC foundation. I know this is not the real foundation of MAC, but this is that first copy of MAC. So I have purchased it from the shop. He has shown me this MAC foundation, so I thought let's purchase it and try it. And yeah, I just want to show you the bottle. How does it look like? Yeah, so it does look like something like MAC real bottle. It has given a pump tube over here. I don't know why I purchased this color, shade. This is NC25 shade, as you can see, NC25, but it is little bit darker for me. So yeah, I don't know I will be using it further or not. I have just wasted my money, I think. So yeah, this is the another product. Then I got this eyeshadow. Yeah, this is the CoverGirl Face and Body Glitter, and I will be using it in one of my video very soon. So yeah, stay tuned for that video. This is the body glitter, as you can see, also used for our eyes. So yeah, this is the another product that I got, this nail polish remover. This is the ADS nail polish remover, and I will be doing a DIY very soon on my channel. So this is for that video. Okay, so here finishes my all the products that I recently got from Nykaa.com as well as from one shop. So yeah, I just wanted to give you one update also. As you can see, Peter Better voice from the background. It's raining. Yes guys, it's still raining in Mumbai. I don't know why it's still raining. It's raining from 15th of September until now. It's still raining. So yeah guys, that's finishes of my video, and if you enjoyed this video, please hit like to this video, and please subscribe to my channel if you are new to this channel, and it would mean a lot to me. So yeah, stay tuned to my channel till